firmly in the stirrups. We do it with the whole arm. Smile at me. Collect all the fingers, gather them together. And butterfly wrist. Okay, we probably will play today together. Okay? How about rain, rain, go away? Again, where is my full, deep, rich, juicy sound? Yes, it's good, but you kind of connected. Try to disconnect a little bit. Hear a tiny break between the notes and sing it. Feet. Today, feet. Our feet grew wings today. They start flying everywhere. Rain, rain, go away. Good. Come again. And now excellent. Have you tried it with you from different notes?
No.
Okay, let's play exactly the same song, but this time we'll start it on F. So the hands have to have exactly, yes. What about our beautiful sound? Rain, rain, go away. How about G? Flying feet. Rain, rain, go deeply. Lift into the bottom of the key. Good, but not too harsh. Lift. Sound has to end. Come again. Don't press enter. Yes. How about A? Let's sing A, and then we'll sing the song. Rain, rain, go away. Good. Come again another day. Good. Let's try to play and listen to each note. Rain. Wait, does it sound right? Yes.
Ooh,
Wait.
good job.
Lift, come, go away. Lift, come again another day. B. Good job. You've done it. Really, really good.